Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share your August 2022 Flavors of the Month kit. So the Flavors of the Month is the bigger of our kits. It includes 4 brand new collections. You always receive cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. We also have 3 add-ons available so that you can add more cardstock, more pattern paper, or embellishments to your kit if you'd like it to go even further. Along with your kit, you'll receive a sample of gourmet coffee. You can brew that up while you unpack your goodies or create or watch our awesome design team create. You also have access to this exclusive cut file. These are designed by Cut to You exclusively for the Scrap Room, and this month is this gorgeous floral hoop. So it's like the old embroidery hoops with the florals in it. It's perfect to go with the collections this month. You also have access to 4 recipe cards, and these are double page layouts that our design team creates for you. One for each one of the 4 collections, and then they give you their cutting and assembly instructions so you can create right along with them. We also have lots of inspiration and challenges going on at the Scrap Room blog and the Facebook page, so be sure to check those out. This month, our 4 collections are Let's Craft by Echo Parks. We have a little bit of crafting going on. Paige Evans' Splendid collection, which is just a gorgeous, everyday floral, very much Paige Evans. From Pretty Little Studio, we have Wildflowers. And then Simple Stories, Let's Go, which is a vacation travel collection. So a little bit of everything for you this month. So let's dig in. I'm going to show you everything that you're going to be getting this month to create with. Our first collection is from Echo Park, Let's Create. So this is geared all around creating, from, painting, all kinds of crafts, scrapbooking, sewing, just a little bit of it all. So this paper here has like the little stamp press or even the sponge daubers. It kind of looks like either one of those. We have some different tools now. And the gorgeous floral prints. The back is this green with the little leaves and the little florals. This is called Stunning Stamps. Then we have a floral print. Just look at those together. If you don't want to document your creating, just use the B-sides. It's just gorgeous. Love the colors in this collection. This paper is called Fresh Flowers. We have this one with the scissors, and the handles have all of the different colors from the collection. But the back, the B-side, is this gorgeous minty green with the little white flowers. This paper is called Cut It Out. So one more look at the patterned paper. And if I didn't say you start with 2 sheets of white cardstock, I think I missed that in the beginning. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a border here that has the cross stitch on that green, a scalloped border with that floral. We have some banners, lots of cute phrases and words for your titles and subtitles. Start your journaling, and then these beautiful icons, the brushes in the jar, the sewing machine. We have the glue gun, that little stamp pad again, scissors, gorgeous florals. So that is Echo Park, Let's Create. Our next collection is Splendid by Paige Evans. This is very typical Paige Evans with all of the florals and then geometric designs that you can do the stitching on that she's so well known for, and the bright rainbow of colors. You're going to start with 2 sheets of coconut swirl cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one, number 1, which is the beautiful big floral. The back is a polka dot on the black. These have full branding strips of the other side of the paper. We have paper number 5, which are all of these stitches in the different colors. The back is a yellow diagonal stripe. Then we have paper number 8, which is the diamonds with the stacked up different colors and the print. The back is that pretty bright pink, purplish pink geometric design. So one more look at your patterned paper here. For your embellishments, you're going to get some of the puffy stickers. So these will vary, but this is the one I got. I got some words for titles, some little word labels, some gold hearts. And then a mixture of the floral and icon die cuts. So these will vary. I have a postcard, have lots of little florals, a little piece here. It's Polaroid frame. It kind of reminds me of a seed packet, a title, just lots of gorgeous icons. So that is Splendid by Paige Evans. Your third collection is Wildflowers from Pretty Little Studio. This is a gorgeous collection, perfect for anything. There's really not a theme to it other than it's gorgeous, it's florals. All you purple girls, you're getting covered again this month. Lots of beautiful florals. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of Wild Pansy cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one called Clover, which is the grid paper with the hearts up the side, the different pattern papers, and then they're stitched. This has all of the work done for you. Of course, if you want to go back over the top with actual needle and thread, you could do that for some added dimension. The back are all of these awesome hearts. I wish they'd put this on a different piece of paper because I love both, but this is great to fussy cut for added embellishments. We have this paper called Color Palette, which is the rainbows on the grid design. Could use it as it is, or you could cut it apart and build it back together on a piece of paper. The back is just a blue grid. We have Lilac Blooms, which is a purple gingham. And the back is a notebook paper. I love these papers like this. They're great for backgrounds. They're also great to cut apart up for journaling little spots. Very useful. So that's your pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get 3 punch-out tags. So these will vary, but I got the ones that were kind of the aqua and the green. And then you're going to get a mixture of the icon and the floral and labels and tag cuts. So again, all of these will vary, but I got a large little floral, some labels, some hexagon pieces, a couple of little hearts. So yours will vary, but they'll be very kind of similar to these designs and ideas. So that is Wildflowers by Pretty Little Studio. Our final collection is Let's Go from Simple Stories. So this is our travel vacation collection. You're going to start with 2 sheets of cream puff cardstock. Your patterned paper is this one called Take Me Away, which has the beautiful floral in the bottom right corner with the black polka dots. The back is the geotags and the different colors on that gold. We have this one called Come Fly With Me, which is an awesome broad striped in all of the different colors. The back are all kinds of travel tags. So these are perfect whether you're flying, driving, or you're just doing kind of running around in your hometown or you're just nearby. They're not very specific. There are a few that have airplanes that says flight, but it's let's get lost all around the world. Adventure begins. Dream and discover. Enjoy the view. So you can really pull out a lot of different ideas from those phrases. This one is called Destination Unknown, which is a street map that's been cut into like a world map shape on a grid design. Actually, this looks like a globe on the back now that I look at it. So that's really creative. The back is an airplane with all of the swirls going around. Super cute. So one more look at your pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get a wide variety here. We have some foam phrases here. So these will all vary, but I got these 2 that say holiday and on our way with a little speech bubble. You're going to get some puffy stickers. I got a map, a tag, a word, a globe, coffee cup, and then some of the die cut pieces. So you can see here what a wide variety of icons that are on here. Route 66, which is cool because that goes right through near where I live, so I can definitely use that one. A soda bottle, a Starlight Motel, a bag, the VW Bugs, Born to Travel. So, you know, think outside the box. You don't have to actually be getting out on the road since gas prices are so high, but any kind of getting out and around will be perfect for Let's Go from Simple Stories. So one more look at your 4 collections and the flavors of the month. Don't forget to check out the 3 add-ons as well as the Shots of Life because it coordinates as well. I have links here to the reveal videos of those 2 kits so that you can check those out. Check out all the other individual items and kits available in the store and have them all shipped together to save you money. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.